Do solar panels work with limited sunlight? I am Janjan with Maoneng Philippines, and I'm here to tell you the truth about weather and solar energy. The question is, do solar panels work with limited amount of sunlight? The simple and direct answer is yes. Studies show that solar panels can generate about 10 to 25% less than the normal power output on days with overcast weather. During cloudy and rainy months, your panels will produce less electricity, but you can make up for it during summer months when there's more sunshine. Solar panels can absorb the direct sunlight as well as reflected sunlight during rainy days or from clouds. During rainy days, the effects are not that bad since rain can actually clean your solar panels, which will make your solar PV system more efficient after the rainy day. On the other hand, low clouds can block sunlight, which means less solar energy. However, certain cloudy conditions can actually increase the amount of light reaching the solar panels, which can improve the energy yield of the system. So if you have few clouds in the sky, that's actually good for your solar PV installations. Lastly, what about the reflected sunlight from the moon? Unfortunately, that is not enough to produce electricity. Therefore, solar panels cannot generate electricity during nighttime. If you want to maximize the generation coming from your solar PV system, Maoneng Philippines also offers assistance for net metering applications where you can export excess generation to the distribution utility. Or you can incorporate battery energy storage where you can store excess capacity generated from solar panels and use it anytime you want. In conclusion, solar PV system can still work whether it is cloudy or rainy, and it can save you a lot of money in the long run. Areas with higher utility rates push commercial establishment owners to install their own solar PV systems, hoping to reap major benefits of bill savings, quick return on their investment, and more importantly, contribute to the protection of our environment. If you want to know more about how much is the investment needed and the savings that you will get with solar energy, watch out for our next videos. For a free quote or consultation, message us on our Facebook page or send us an email down below. To learn more about the benefits of solar energy for businesses and environment, join our free webinar entitled The Future is Solar in partnership with IIEE Metro South Chapter and Jinko Solar on April 23, 2022. See you there!